Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with another 6 trades. Most of them were pound pairs, and I threw in the Euro Aussie. They were all sells, basically on pound weakness. And on the Euro, it was Aussie was near the top, and Aussie was a little bit weaker. Now today's date is December the 18th. And great way to end the week with another 6 winners, and I got my 50 pips or more, as I do get every day I'm trading. So I'm also using the HA trigger system at this point in time. HA stands for Heikin Ashi. Replace the Japanese candlesticks with the Heikin Ashi candles, and the concept is quite easy to understand. Blue we're buying and red we're selling, and it gets rid of probably 75% of the noise. The Heikin Ashi candles are great for traders who struggle trying to read Japanese candlesticks. That does take a certain amount of time to trade successfully. So let's go through these pairs, starting off with this pound Aussie. And by the way, all of these trades were a great way to trade. That is my number one easiest and fastest way to learn how to trade. And as long as you follow the rules, you'll have a very high success rate. So drag and drop this up to see where I got in at. Now I teach where you should be getting in. Obviously here or here would be better. I missed it by a number of pips. It's not a big deal. I knew that I was going to get some pips. I even closed it out a little bit on the faster side. But these top two I was just scalping to round out my last couple of trades. Now all these trades were taken between just a little bit after 8 this morning, and I closed it out around close to just before 10 or a little after 10. So approximately 2 hours of trading, and my day is done. Okay, we got in at this cursor right here. Did go against me, let's see, about 25 or 26 pips, and that is okay. As I've learned a long time ago, many times as these pound pairs are moving around, 20 pips will not hold. But as long as you know the trend direction, then all you got to do is catch the next cycle. As I said, would have been better here. And this situation, it only went 2 pips against. But in this situation, I was up 24 pips at one point in time here. But when you're running, up to 5 trades, it's hard to keep an eye on all of them at the same time. But not a big deal. I ended up closing out the trade. Looks like with about 9 pips here. And 9 pips on the pound Aussie paid $684. So with 9 pips on the pound Aussie, we're off to a good start. Let's try this Euro Aussie and see what happened with this one. Drag and drop it up. Same situation. When I did pull the trigger, it was a great way to trade, as I teach within the rules and within the training videos. Here's another one that did go down, and I should have got out here, but many times you'll either not catch it, or you'll have the feeling that you're going to get more pips. Remember, fear and greed are very strong when you are trading real money. So got in at this cursor. Now it did go against me, 14 pips, and I closed it out. It looks like this one also with 9 pips, and 9 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $684. Next pair is the pound Swiss. Let's run a check on this one. Drag and drop it onto the charts. This one here was better timing, and it could have easily just kept going down, break the bottom, but it looks like it's going somewhat sideways, and that is why if I can get 5 to 20 pips, whatever I can get, I'm usually happy. As I said, I did get in at this cursor. Now it did go against me about 21 pips. At one point I was up 14, but then I settled for, looks like 8 pips, and 8 pips on the pound Swiss. Paid $903. Keep in mind that some days are like this. Doesn't move fast and a lot. As you can see back in the Asian here, it actually produced more pips. Getting in on the red candle, just to show you as an example, either here or anywhere across here, that is producing more than 40 pips. So very, very clear at this point that we're selling. So keep that in mind for you traders who have the HA trigger system. Moving on to the next pair, pound CAD. Another good example of a great way to trade. Let's drag and drop it up, see where I got in at. Would have been better here on this red candle, like right on the goal line, but you can only trade it at the point that you actually see it. Did go against me 13 pips, gave me more, at least 40, but I closed it out here with 14 pips, and I was happy with that. And 14 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,097. This is exactly why I trade more than one pair. I used to trade one pair and put more lots and then sit around just trying to get 3 to 5 pips. So I usually do anywhere from 2 to 5 trades, and some of them will give less and other pairs will give more, as you're going to see on the last 2 trades here. Pound dollar, another pair that moves, perfect example of a great way to trade, as I teach in the training videos. Let's drag and drop this up. Better would have been right about here, but as I said, you can only catch it when you see it. Got in at this cursor, did go against me 8 pips, and did give a lot more, over 40, but I was happy with 15, and 15 pips on the pound dollar paid $1,500. Remember, my goal is 50 pips or more. I'm always happy to get more, but if I can get 50 pips in a trading session or on a trading day, I am very happy with that. Pound yen is the last pair. Let's run a check on it. This one even looks better. Now keep in mind, the better that the charts look, the more pips you'll get. It's another thing that you have to pay attention to. There's charts that look better and other charts that just look more messy. So let's just drag and drop this up. Again, would have been much better, higher up, but I only saw it at this point. And you know, when you're scanning a bunch of pairs, by the time you get around to it, sometimes you miss it by 10 pips or so. Let's see. Got in at this cursor, and looks like I closed it out. This one looks like with 17 pips, and 17 pips on the pound yen. Paid $1,547. So today's trading produced 72 pips, and 72 pips paid out $6,417. Another great day of trading using a great way to trade system. Okay, and if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my trigger system is, By the way, it doesn't make any difference which trigger system. They all produce the same. Once you get trade management in order, money management in order, proper mindset in order, and the most important thing, I keep repeating it, everybody I talk to, you must learn how to trade the flow of the market. The market does the same thing every day. And once you learn how the market flows and moves, trading just becomes somewhat boring, because every day you make pips. And of course, if you want to make a lot of money, then you have to just get into multiple standard lots like I do. I teach all of these tips and tricks within the training videos. I repeat it dozens and dozens of times. So faster that you can learn what I'm teaching, the faster you'll become successful. So if you want more information, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see my contact information, and with regards to this HA trigger system, I do charge $250 for it, and it is an advanced Heikin-Ashi system that comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it does come with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. I also provide a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, and this will help you to find success. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I do teach a lot of ways to trade. The most important thing is in each and every trigger system I have are the training videos, and that's why there's 42 of them, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Now I'm not going to go through all of this because we're already at 12 minutes, and you can put it on pause. You can absolutely see everything that I teach. In all the years I've been buying system, and I spent from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars, they've never gone into this much detail on how to trade all these different subjects or areas. So if you have any questions at all, quite simple, pick up the phone, call me, here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer your questions. Now, of course, over the course of many years, I built many trigger systems. All you got to do is click on this link, and you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video and this week of trading. And I just about forgot, I wanted to show you over the past 3 weeks, as you can see the date up here, November the 27th. I clicked on this time to show you. Now if you click on this profit button over here, it puts it in order of from losers and then the winners as it gets larger and larger in profits. So as you can clearly see, as I'll scroll down, I counted them, there's 91 winners here, and there are 2 losers, the top 2 right here. And then as you're scrolling down slowly, as you can see, there's just winner after winner after winner. By the way, I'm using the GCI Financial. That is my broker. What I like about it is they also pay you interest on your money, which is fantastic. Never had a broker that paid me interest. Let's see, scrolling down, they're all winners. So for you traders out there, just wanted to show you from 93 trades altogether, 2 losers, 91 winners, and the total profit for 3 weeks is $162,376. When you can produce results like this, I do highly recommend that you trade in a demo account, get results like this before you even think about going live. Don't do what I did. I bought one system for thousands of dollars. It was actually $4,300, and I opened up live account right away thinking with that amount of money that I spent on a system, it has to work. Well, it did not work, and in the first, I can't remember what it was, less than a year, I lost $30,000. And at that point, I decided to demo trade until I can show results like this that are good. So that's exactly what you have to do. Get a good system, get lots of good education, and demo trade until you are good. If you cannot do this in a demo, then don't even remotely think that you can do it in a live, because live trading is even more difficult. So as I said before, it's time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.